Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Guardian Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in guardianmortgageonline.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Guardian Mortgage. Now in order to log into your account, simply click on the My Account button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the login portal. Now just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your Guardian Mortgage online account. In case you forgot your username or your password, there is an option called Forgot Username and Forgot Password right at the bottom. You can click on these and you will be able to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Guardian Mortgage Online. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.